Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a deep dive into a piece of kitchen equipment that strips away the digital clutter and focuses purely on the art of cooking. I am talking about the Korkmaz Turbo 9.5 Quart stove-top pressure cooker. In an age where every appliance seems to need a Wi-Fi connection and a touch screen, it is genuinely refreshing to look at a tool that prioritizes durability, simplicity, and raw performance. Let us start with the build quality. When you pick up this unit, you immediately notice the stainless steel construction. It feels substantial and built to last. One of the standout technical aspects here is the base. Korkmaz has utilized a specially cut aluminum core encapsulated within that stainless steel. This is critical for pressure cooking because it ensures even heat distribution across the bottom, preventing those annoying hot spots that lead to scorched food. Whether you are using a gas stove, an electric range, or even induction, this pot is designed to handle it. Now, let us talk about that 9.5 quart capacity. This is a massive vessel. If you have a large family or if you enjoy meal prepping for the week, this size is a game changer. You can easily fit whole chickens, large roasts, or a mountain of vegetables in here. Because it is a stove-top model, you do not have to worry about electronic components failing after a few years. It is a manual system that relies on physics, which is exactly why it is so reliable. The lid mechanism is another point of interest. It features a robust locking system that feels incredibly secure once it is engaged. Safety is obviously the priority when dealing with high pressure, and the pop-up pressure indicator provides a clear, visual cue so you know exactly when the unit is pressurized and when it is safe to open. I also appreciate the overpressure plug. It acts as a fail-safe mechanism, giving you peace of mind that the steam has a way to escape if the pressure levels ever exceed the recommended threshold. Moving on to the pros, the primary advantage here is efficiency. By utilizing high pressure, you are cutting down your cooking time significantly while retaining nutrients and moisture that are often lost in traditional boiling or roasting. It is also incredibly versatile. While we call it a pressure cooker, it functions as a steamer, a stew pot, and a heavy-duty container for large batch cooking. There are a few things to keep in mind, however. Because it is a manual stove-top model, there is a learning curve. You do not have the set-it-and-forget-it luxury of an electric multi-cooker. You will need to keep an eye on your heat levels to maintain the correct pressure. Additionally, because of the large 9.5 quart size, you need to make sure you have adequate storage space in your cabinets, as this is a tall and wide piece of equipment. In conclusion, the Korkmaz Turbo is for the home chef who values longevity and control. It is a workhorse that avoids the fragility of digital displays in favor of a heavy-duty, stainless steel design. If you are tired of replacing electric pressure cookers every 2 years, this is the upgrade you have been looking for. It is efficient, it is spacious, and it is built to survive decades of use in a busy kitchen. Link in the description.